Good morning, students. Now, today we will discuss the topic uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Last day we discussed about what is motion and rest. When a body changes its position with time, the body is said to be in motion. Now, uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform and non-uniform motion. So, to understand uniform and non-uniform motion, you see one example. Suppose a car travels in a straight path. This is the position of the third car. This is the position of the so all we see here, suppose a car travels along a straight path. Initially the car is at rest and t is equal to 0 second. After 1 second, the car travels 20 meter. Once t is equal to 1 second. Again, in next second, the car again travels 20 meter. At the end of the 3 second, the car also travels 20 meter. And at the end of 4 second, the car again travels 20 meter. So see in this figure, in each second the car travels 20 meter. And because initially the car is at rest, at 0 second the distance travelled by car is 0 meter. At the end of 1 second the car travels 20 meter. At the end of 2 seconds the car travels 40 meter. At the end of 3 seconds the car travels 60 meter. And at the end of 4 seconds the car travels 80 meter. But in each second, suppose in this case t is equal to 1 second, so t minus, that is 1 minus 0, 1 second. So in 1 second the car travels 20 meter. And in next second 2 minus 1, again the car travels 20 meter. In 3 minus 2, again it travels 20 meter. So what you observe in this figure, in each second the car travels 20 meter distance. That is, the car travels equal distances, that is 20 meter, in equal interval of time 1 second. So how do you define the term that is uniform motion? So definition of uniform motion is when a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time. The body is said to have uniform motion. So how do you define the term uniform motion? When a body or when an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, that is, in 1 second the car travels 20 meter. In each second car travels 20 meter. Now the second is non-uniform. So all we see here, in the second case, in 1 second the car travels 20 meter, and in the second second, at the end of the 2 second, it travels 10 meter. That is, at the end of 2 seconds, 20 plus 10, 30 meter. And here, in the third second, it travels only 8 meter. 8 meter. And here, and lastly, it travels only 2 meter. So what you observe from this figure, the car does not cover equal distances. Here it travels 20 meter, 10 meter, 8 meter, 2 meter in each second. So in each second the car travels unequal distances in equal interval of time. Then the body is said to have non-uniform motion. So how do you define the term non-uniform motion? When a body covers unequal distances in equal when a body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time, the body is said to have non-uniform motion. So what is non-uniform motion? When a body covers unequal, that is 20 meter, 10 meter, 8 meter, 2 meter distances in equal interval of time. Here, after the 1 second and 1 second or each second, the car does not travel equal distances. So the car is said to be moving with non-uniform motion. Thank you.